Guys, welcome back to another video, and oh my god, I'm getting attacked by a spider. But as I was saying, guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you guys how to spawn a chicken jockey in Minecraft really quick. Mostly because there's a bunch of mobs watching me, guys, ready to get me at any second, so I got to do this real quick and get back to my house. But what you're going to need to do to spawn a chicken jockey is you're going to need to first have all of your chickens, and then you're going to have to use this command. So you want to pull up your commands, and now what you want to do after you hit the dash, you want to enter in this command. So dash ride type chicken summon rider zombie. That's what you want to type in. And once you hit enter, boom, chicken jockeys, guys. It will put zombies on top of all of your chickens, except for your baby ones. But all your regular chicken, oh my goodness, creeper. No, be cool. Be cool, creeper. Come on. Oh my god, he blew up right in my face. And now a spider's attacking me. Whoa, guys, I'm being attacked by everybody out here. This is crazy. Okay, I just took care of all of them. But you can also do this with spiders, which is actually pretty cool, guys. They're going to start trying to attack me, though. But all you got to do is the exact same thing. So we just go ahead and we back up a little bit because they're really coming at us. Oh my god. They're coming at us fast, guys. They really hate us. But you know what? I'm just going to eat a golden apple and just spawn them in. Alright, so we hit the dash. And we type in that same command, but we change it to spider instead of chicken. Boom! Spider jockeys! And they're really fast, guys. Oh my god, there's a lot of them. I probably shouldn't have spawned that many spiders. And oh my goodness, I'm being bullied. Wow, there's a lot of mobs out tonight, guys. I'm not even joking around. This is crazy. This is really crazy, guys. I was not expecting this. I should have definitely brought some TNT to blow them all up. But you know what? I'm just going to run away. And look, he wants to follow me. Back up, boy. Who do you think you are? Oh my goodness, I just took out the spider and not him. Are you kidding me? Okay, now I took him out, guys. But that is how you do it. The super easy, super simple way to spawn spider jockeys and chicken jockeys in Minecraft, guys. I really hope you guys like this tutorial. And if you did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And let me know what you guys would like me to teach you to do next. While I'm getting attacked by all of these mobs. Bye.